On Friday, when Shubman Gill walked out for the toss for the first test against England in Headingley, he made history. The 25-year-old became the first male cricketer from United Punjab to captain India in Test cricket. He announced his arrival as India captain with a sensational century on day one. From the District Cricket Association Mohali ground behind the IS Bindra Stadium, where Gill was first spotted by former India cricketer Karsan Ghavri before he was even a teen, to being named as Test Captain of India, the Punjab batter's journey is one of perseverance, sacrifice, and innumerable number of hard-working hours put into the sport. Not just by him, but also his father Lakhvinder Singh, his former teammates, including Gurkeerat Singh, attest to it. Once he made it to the under-14 Punjab team, there was no looking back. He rose up the ranks, piling on records in Punjab, the under-19 World Cup, and a senior call-up followed before Gill made his Test debut against Australia at the MCG in December 2020. 4.5 years have passed, and today Gill has been bestowed with the honour of leading Indian cricket into a new era. The folklore about Gill's talent and his obsession to bat might have begun in Mohali. However, the story of Shubman Gill started in a small farming village called Chak Kherewala in Fazilka district near the India-Pakistan border. It is where Gill was born and spent his early childhood years with his parents Lakhvinder and Giyat Gill and grandparents Sardar Didar Singh and Gurmil. It was Didar Singh who first carved out a tree trunk to make a bat for his 3-year-old grandson. For the next 4 years, Lakhvinder and the people who worked in the farmlands the Gills owned would spend day in and out giving throwdowns to Shubman in the front yard. The kitchen wall of the house, which is currently under renovation, stands testament to the hours Shubman spent batting. Even though Lakhvinder moved Shubman and his family to Mohali in the hopes of making his son a cricketer when he was 7, Didar Singh and Gurmail still stay in Chak Kherewala. They did not leave when Shubman was making his way up the ranks in Punjab, nor did they leave during the recent blackout in the border region due to the cross-border tensions between India and Pakistan. Didar and Gurmail still stay in their ancestral house, where the mementos in the shelves tell tales about Shubman's conquests. From the 2018 Under-19 World Cup triumph to the recent Champions Trophy victory, it is impossible to miss the pride in Didar and Gurmail's faces and voice when Shubman's name is mentioned. It is the same for every person from Chak Kherewala to Fazilka to Mohali. They all have a story to tell about their Shubman. The Fazilka District Cricket Association is building a stadium to honour Shubman in Bamaniwala, a village closer to Chak Kherewala. There, they had a screening of the Champions Trophy semi-final and final, with the young kids who trained there watching and cheering for their loved one. Shubman hasn't forgotten his roots either. Back in Chak Kherewala, Jaimalwala Academy has been running for more than a year, with around 20 young aspiring kids taking up the sport. Lakhvinder and Shubman have donated 3.5 lakh to the academy for construction and sporting equipment. The construction of the net facilities got over last week. In fact, whenever Lakhvinder visits the village, he spends time with the kids in the academy, training them. They and every single person you talk to in Punjab are immensely proud of the fact that he will be the first male cricketer from United Punjab to lead India in Test cricket. Shubman, at the moment, has massive shoes to fill, especially in the absence of Rohit Sharma and Virat Kohli, both his predecessors. And he will be looking to stamp his authority and lead from the front in this new era. When Shubman removed his helmet and let out a roar before his trademark century celebration as India captain on June 20, all those kids from the ground, Gurkeerat, Ghavri, the Gills in Chak Kherewala village, and everyone would have been glued to their television screens. For this is a new era for Indian cricket, and it is their Shubman who will take Indian cricket forward.